Guys, gusto mo ba mag-improve ang finances mo? Alam mo, the best way to improve your finances this coming 2025 is learning how to budget and be financially responsible. So, paano ba kami magiging financially responsible? Nako, sagot na kita. Meron na tayong tool dito that can help you, itong Piso Planner na ito. Sa Piso Planner na ito, we will teach you on how to budget. Number one, ito yung gagawin mo. Sulat mo muna yung income mo. Kailangan lista. Number two, yung savings. Magkano gusto mong ipunin bago ka gumastos. Ito yung reality. Pag inuna mo kasi ang gastos bago ka mag-ipon, ni pisong duling walang matitira. In other words, you cannot ask your income to adjust to your lifestyle. You ask your lifestyle to adjust kung magkano talaga ang income mo. Kasi minsan ang reality niyan, mas nauuna yung lifestyle po natin kaysa talagang kakayanan po natin. Do you agree? And I want to challenge you also this year. At the same time, matuto ka mag-budget, mag-ipon ka na rin. Dito may challenge ako sa inyo. Ang gagawin natin, yung 60,000 ipon challenge. Dito 60,000, start ka muna sa 20 pesos, 50, 100. Pag nabuo mo yan, may 60,000 ka. And may maganda akong balita sa mga kaiponaryo natin and wannabe iponaryo. Once you order this, I will give you, ito na, not 1, but 6 books. Negosyo, yayamanin, budget, utang free, ipon, and pulubi. What are you waiting for?